Welcome to Arabian Ranches. This property is situated in the heart of Savannah. This home has been 3 bedrooms, thoughtfully transformed into a 5-bedroom. Come, let's take a look. As you step inside, you'll realize that there's a lot of natural light beaming through the house. And because this beautiful skylight window, stunning, flooding the house with natural light throughout. And did I talk about that you kind of have your private oasis right over here? As you notice, and if you know Savannah Properties, the official door has been here, but the full extension has been done right up front, creating that amazing skylight window and corridor and that extra space. Seamlessly craftsmanship done by this black masterpiece kitchen is just absolutely stunning. And then my favorite room is the master. Let me tell you why. So the old build was still here. The owner created so much space by taking up the balcony, giving the master bedroom the word it deserves. Master, big room. Arrange a viewing today with me to experience this magnificent property firsthand. Your Arabian dreams awaits you.